beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. It stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Friends, I'm so delighted you've joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom. Especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible. See what I mean? Hope you packed a compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland.
Very true. It's not true.
We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit. Now, if you're more the rootin' tootin' type, then partner, saddle up, because this here's Frontierland. Outposts, campfires, and country bears. This outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mouth. We call it Big Thunder. Catch a ride on its runaway trains and you'll see why. On a more musical note, just ahead, Princess Tiana is striking up the band for her big party. She made me promise to tell you folks, you're invited. We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight and hold those horses until we come to a complete stop. Even disembark, please carry your stroller all the way off the platform before it closes. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
As we arrive into the station, please remain fully seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Then I give you the words of all clear. Again, please remain fully seated. Remain fully seated, please. We still have a little bit to go. Remain seated, please. Now you are all clear to disembark. Welcome.
What? There goes.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, U.S.A. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
That's the barn store. Oh, that's a big
There it is, Big Thunder Mountain. Now, normally, folks around here have a one-track mind for gold. But mining seems to have been derailed. They've been working on that railroad all the live long day. But you can see that old gold mine behind. My favorite leg of the day. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic... Listen. Hear that?
When you were in 1985.
Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put. Hey! Get back here, Shadow! Shadow!
Oh, Tinkerbell, we really must find some stronger thread.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. Friends, travelers, children of all ages, we're coming down the track and headed straight for the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacularific Fantasyland Storybook Circuit. This is the place for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding them. That way we can start loading. Disembark. Please watch your step, and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you'll join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
Alrighty folks, as we arrive here at this station, please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. I will say the words all clear when it is safe for you to disembark the train. Until you have heard me say those two words, do not stand, do not exit the train. Please stay seated everyone, we are still in motion. Not yet. All clear, watch your step as you disembark, and welcome to Fantasyland Storybook Circuit. This is our final lap around the magic.
Looks like we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. Next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, U.S.A. We'll head for...
My friends approaching from the exit of the train, we are not taking any more passengers tonight.
By the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve. And not just because we're on the straightaway. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland. Welcome aboard, folks. And no, I love this railroad, but it's a software and I still
for upload. Once digitized, enable your life cycle and join the games. Fair warning users, competition is fierce and fast. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory.
Now you so. And that's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland. Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, U.S.A. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes. Your belongings carefully. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
All right, everyone, as we arrive here into this straight station, please stay seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. I will let you know when it is safe to disembark the train by saying the words, all clear. Until you've heard me say those two magical words, everyone does need to stay seated on the train. Please stay seated. All clear. Watch your step as you disembark and welcome to Main Street, USA. Once again, folks, visit our final lap around the Magic Kingdom and we will not be returning to Main Street tonight. So Cinderella's Castle, hopping on Main Street, or meeting with the big chief himself, Mickey Mouse, are on your list.